the method of creating for me the condition that helps me to do this optimally. Getting up very early in the morning, I go out and go to a quiet place and meditate there. Here's a lesson: to get up early in the morning and spend the first hours of the day meditating in solitude. The soul, renewed by sleep, is fresh, light and penetrating like the fresh air of the morning. As such, it itself asks to be left where its joy is. Before inspiration, in the company of light and friends. It is easier for him to do this now than later, when he is burdened by all the worries of the day. All are lined up. We must take an impulse for our works, the necessary support and strengthening without which we cannot finish it, and hurry to rise as quickly as possible towards inspiration with your mind and heart, so that no obstacle appears, confessing your needs, your decisions, and asking for help. Immersing yourself in meditation and contemplation from the first moments of the day, then you will spend the whole day with attention and concentration, with a collected mind. This way you will acquire thoughtfulness, measure, and good preparation in your things and in your relationship with people. This will be the reward for the effort you will make in the solitude of the morning. People who live surrounded by human authorities should also consider this as a wise measure, not as something extraneous to their goals. Vasile.